right now I'm taking my dog for a walk. I'm sorry I haven't been posting as many videos lately, but I will start because it's kind of hard with school and stuff. But yeah, I'll be posting more, and I just wanted to make this quick vlog. So, what's going on, Chica? My dog Riley. Riley, get back. So, I'm gonna start making gaming videos as well. But I need you guys to comment down below what games you'd like me to play, and I'll do whatever I can. I'll leave a link in the description to what games like you want me to pick from. But it's probably just gonna be for Xbox. And I don't really have that many games for Xbox, but I'll list down the ones that I want that you guys want me to play. So, so when it gets that time, I'll talk about it more. But I'll just leave it in the description and you guys comment. And whatever game gets in the comments is what the game I'll probably do the most. I'll probably do every game to be honest, but hopefully. So, it's good seeing you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.